If you wanna rock the clubs, you can too. If you wanna pop them up, give me a clue. If you wanna rock the ice in his styles, right? Well, you got to tell him, no, you got to bring it right.
It's the rap spectacular, cardiovascular. You see these lyrics, they gon' laugh at ya. You wanna take it to the streets, moving backwards. Straight up and down, you get slapped up like Cassius. And if they want hoes, hook 'em with a catheter. Mental manipulation like Blackula. Controlling forces, knocking soldiers off their horses. Whether the Benz or Rolls Royces. Ain't nothing close to kilometer Testarossa. Body barometer pop just like a toaster. I heat and freeze it off simultaneously, instantaneously. Ain't no one worthy but me. I hold my head like a sire for a second. The state of hip